Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a project in Asana. So this is very simple. First, scroll down until you see your project section. Then click right here on these three dots and click on New Project. You can also alternatively go right here to Create and Project. So click on it. Now you have to select if you want your project to be blank to start from scratch, or if you want to use a template or import a project. So I will start from scratch. Here you have to give your project a name. So give it a name. Then select a workspace. So in my case, it is my workspace, but it can be also private to only members. And you can set it up with Asana AI or continue with yourself. For the sake of this tutorial, I will continue with myself. Now you have to choose views for your project. So choose which views you want. Alternatively, you want all of them. And you can add some popular ones right here and show more views right here. Now you can go over here to create a project, and your project is successfully created. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.